In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inventory to your Odoo website. This process will help you manage your products effectively and keep your stock up to date. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, let's get started. The first step is to create your product. You can do this by navigating to your Odoo inventory app. Simply click on Products and then select Products again. This will bring you to a list of all your current inventory items. Now that you're in the right place, you'll want to create a new product. Click the New or Create button to open a blank product form. This is where you'll input all the important information about your product. Next, it's time to enter specifics about your product. Fill in the product name and sales price. Don't forget to upload a clear image of your product as well, as visuals are crucial for online shopping. As you continue through the product form, set the product type to Goods or Storable Product, depending on your version of Odoo. This setting ensures that the system tracks the physical stock accurately, which is essential for running a smooth operation. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, make sure to save the product. You can find the Save button at the top right corner of the form. This step is crucial, as it confirms that all your hard work is stored. Now that your product is created, let's move on to adding your initial stock. Head over to the Inventory section and look for Operations, then select Inventory Adjustment. Here, you will be able to document how much stock you currently have. Click the New button to start a new adjustment. Give your adjustment a title. Something straightforward like Initial Stock works well. This will help you in referencing what this adjustment is about later on. Next, select the product that you just created from the drop-down list. You'll also need to enter the quantity of stock you currently have on hand. Be sure to double-check your numbers to avoid discrepancies down the line. After entering your stock information, click Start Inventory, and then don't forget to validate the entry. This step pushes the stock into your live warehouse, ensuring everything is up to date. Now your product is in the system, but we need to publish it on your e-commerce store. To do this, go to your website app, select Products, and click on Products again. This will take you to the same product overview screen. Find and select the product you just created. Here's a crucial step. You'll want to look for the Unpublished Smart button, which has a red tag. Click on that, and it will toggle to Published, showing a green tag. With this action, your product will be instantly visible to shoppers in your online store. And just like that, you've successfully added inventory to your Odoo website. Congratulations! Managing your products better not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your customers' experience. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Happy selling, and see you in the next video.